Hello, in this video we will discuss the cultural approach to communication, which sees communication as a carrier and building block of our social and cultural world. The cultural approach is based on the idea that communication is not just about the transmission of information, but also about the creation and negotiation of meaning. This meaning is shaped by the cultural context in which communication takes place. One of the key figures in the development of the cultural approach to communication is Stuart Hall. Hall argued that communication is a process of signification in which the sender and receiver of a message negotiate the meaning of that message. Hall also argued that cultural proximity affects the transmission of a message. In other words, people will understand each other better when they share a common cultural background. This is because they will have a shared understanding of the symbols and codes that are used in the message. Hall also emphasized the role of communication in the construction of identity. He argued that communication can both identify someone as belonging to a particular culture or group or show that they do not belong. The cultural approach to communication has been influential in a number of fields, including media studies, sociology, and anthropology. It has helped us to understand how communication shapes our social and cultural world.